Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube. Today I'm going to try all of the products that I got in this month's Boxycharm, in addition to the products that I got in the charm room on my last charm room purchase that came this month as well. This month's theme was Make Waves. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got and how it performs, stay tuned. So first I'm going to start with brows, and the first product that we have in this month's box is the Mellow Brow Definer, and this is in chocolate, and it does have a brow spoolie on one end, so I'm just going to take the spoolie and get those brow hairs in line. And I'm so glad that I got another brow definer because I don't have that many actually. The Morphe one that I really liked, I had it sitting next to a candle and it kind of goes because of the heat, and then the next one that I had, I used it all up, it ran out. So I've been using the Maybelline Total Temptation, and this one is kind of just like that one. It has more of a triangular shape. Let's see if this one applies the same. It's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in with this same. So this one isn't bad. I mean, it gets the job done. This one retails for $18. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brows up and move on to foundation. So now that I've got my brows on and I'm all primed up, I want to go ahead and try this foundation brush. This is the Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation. I love this brush because obviously the packaging, it's so beautiful. It's got the rose gold with the matte black, but then we've got the dip, and it's perfect for your thumb just to sit in there the way that your thumb would naturally sit. I think that that is perfect. It is so comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and give this brush a try using one of my faves. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. Apply some to the back of my hand like that. I love this formula. I think it's so great. Take a bit on my brush. Yes, I'm loving this brush. Obviously, I used it in a stipple motion, but it is great for buffing out, overall getting that smoother airbrush look. Another thing I think that this brush would be good for as well as foundation is contour, because it's the perfect shape. I think for that to get in like right here and along your contour line and maybe buffing it up in here. Really excited about this brush. I love it, and I think that I will be using it probably more so than all my other foundation brushes. Really good brush by Luxie, and I got this one in the Boxycharm charm room, and this one replaced the Cover FX palette that I received in my last Boxy Luxe because it wasn't my color, and when I emailed them they gave me charm points in the amount that palette cost. So this brush was about the same. I want to say this was like a $40 brush. The LuxieBeauty.com website actually shows this as a $38 brush. So very good brush there. I definitely like that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the eye look using this Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate London. It is a really pretty color, and it actually doesn't say which color this one is, but as you can see, it's a beautiful lavender type of color, and it's got some glitter in it. Let's go ahead and apply it and see how it applies. This cream eyeshadow runs for $22. It's a metallic glittering liquid shadow that can be swiped on for full coverage, luster, and blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. But I'm just going to go ahead and apply it by itself. This is my first time ever using a liquid eye. Let me try this side with my finger. I feel like it literally just turns to glitter, and the glitter is more of a golden type of color. Not too much of a glitter person. I would definitely wear it as a topper more than anything, and it does get all over the place, so you want to be careful with that. So I went in with some more color, took this light brownish outgoing color from the Profusion Amber Eyes palette and just went in on my transition. Then I went into the Protege palette by Suva Beauty, and I used their Poetic shade in this beautiful lavenderish type color to round out the look just a little bit more. It doesn't really give me any of the lavender color that it shows in the bottom. I just get more of the golden shimmer that is in it. Moving right along, I'm going to go ahead and complete my eyes with a little bit of liner and mascara. Then we're going to move to lashes. I did have to clean up a lot of the glitter, and because I normally do my eyes before my foundation, I forgot that I had on foundation. So when I went in with the makeup wipe, I removed some of my foundation, but it's a good thing that I hadn't completed my concealer or anything else, because I was able just to go back in with a little bit of foundation in my foundation brush and clean it right back up. Didn't mention before about this foundation brush I really love. It didn't soak in any of the product. It actually placed it. It doesn't even look like I put any foundation on this brush. Really, really, really liking this foundation brush again, like I said. Let's go ahead and move on to lashes. So now I've completed my eyeliner and my mascara, and now I'm gonna go in with my lashes. Today I'm using the House of Lashes Siren Minis. Again, I got these in the Boxycharm Charm Room when I ordered the Luxie Foundation airbrush. These are so cute because they are a mini size. This is going to be my first time using House of Lashes, and I have another pair of House of Lashes that I received in my Blessed Beauty box, and so this is what the normal size looks according to the House of Lashes website. These particular minis were not on the website. The Sirens in this size, the regular size, runs for $9. These, I can't remember how much they were, and that is what I'm going to be using on my lashes today. These are really cute because they're kind of like clusters. They remind me a lot of the Salon Perfect cluster lashes that I like to wear. As far as the size, I wanted to know if they're really like a mini size. Assuming that these are just a little bit smaller than their regular lashes, maybe just a tad bit. I feel like you should just get the regular size, but I will say the packaging size on the minis is a lot cuter because it's smaller, and that makes it perfect for travel. I've heard that the House of Lashes adhesive glue is really good. Of course, I don't have any, so I'm just going to use my Duo lash glue, but I do also want to try the House of Lashes. When it comes to applying lashes, I tend to be a little heavy-handed with the lash adhesive glue. It makes it really hard to take them off without stripping your own lashes. I'm trying to go a lot light-handed on the lash glue to see if I can get a better lash application. I'm gonna go ahead and let my lashes dry down a little bit before I place them, and in the process I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. Okay, so now that I have my concealer on, and I am baking with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in medium deep, I'm gonna go ahead and place these lashes before they dry down too much. Lashes are now on, and I can already tell you these are minis. They are just a little bit shorter on the band, a little bit less full than a normal lash would be. I think that these are perfect for my eyes. These are the type of lashes that you don't have to trim. They apply so good. I love these lashes. I've never tried a mini lash before, but I loved, and I can already tell you that I'll be trying more mini lashes in the future because these applied so well. They look so much more natural than a full lash would look, and that's why I really like them. They just give your regular eyelashes just a little bit of oomph. So I really like them. I think this completes the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to completing the rest of my face, and I will be back when I go in for the blush. So now that I have finished my face, I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I'll be using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. And again, Boxycharm sent it to me in the wrong color. They sent me the one in medium tan. They were doing light medium tan and then deep rich. I of course should have got the deep rich one because of my beauty quiz that they have you fill out on your profile. They know what shade you are. It's the same thing that happened in the last Boxy Lugs with the whole Cover FX deal, which is why I did the giveaway. They did the same here. I contacted them about it, but of course this time they didn't give me the charm points like they did last time. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this today in the medium tan, and these are the shades. They are really pretty colors, I must say, but the deep rich one, obviously the shades are a lot darker and in my opinion more pretty because they're so rich. But I'm gonna try this medium tan one out. Of course, I'm just gonna go in with the deepest shade, taking a blush brush, and this is in the color Toasted, and it looks like this on the brush. Tap it off a bit. Just like that, as you can see, it did bring the color. It's a really nice shade. The pigments are so good on this. This palette retails for $22. Really like it. I just really wish I had the deep rich one. And again, I wish they would have credited me in charm points so I could have got something else and given this away to you guys, but I think I just had a different person this time, and I could probably try to ask again, but I'm just gonna let it fly. So now for the last thing to go ahead and complete this look, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the color Talk is Cheap. As you can see, the pigment is really there on this shade. It's not the type of shade that I would typically go in with, but it is really pretty. It feels very good on the lips. It feels very creamy. It's not drying. I really like that. This is a vegan product. After a few minutes, it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. So we'll see, but I do like the creaminess, not necessarily the color, but this line has a lot of colors, so I might try the line. This is actually the first time that I'm trying a Dose of Colors product. You guys know that I've done a giveaway with them before, but this is my first time actually trying their line and my first time actually having a lipstick of theirs in my possession. So really excited to add that to my collection. I do love the formula. It's very nice. I'm just going to go ahead and set this face with some setting spray. Down to the last on my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. But the good thing is I just got another one. So off topic, but if you didn't know, when you're down to the wire on this one, it comes out as more of a squirt than it does a continuous mist. So not a big deal, but just realized it, so I want to let you know. Last product that I got in the box was the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. The packaging is very beautiful. It's $28, and I did try it on in another video. I'll link that video so you guys can see it if you haven't. It says, gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Fragrance and SLS free and all skin types approved. And I actually did really like this cleanser. I actually used it as a makeup remover, and it did remove all of the makeup. Felt really good on the skin, so I really like it and will recommend it. It didn't break me out. I tried it probably roughly at about 5 days ago, and my skin is clear and clean, so I would recommend it. If you hear some barking and yelping in the background, that's my new dog. We just got a new pit bull, and he is so cute. He's a red pit, and we are kind of just training him up right now. Let me know if you guys prefer the videos where I actually review the products that come in the box, or if you like the unboxings better. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful for you. If this video was helpful to you in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Giving my videos a thumbs up does help YouTube see that you guys are enjoying my videos, and they will begin to recommend me a lot more, which will help my channel grow. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up and show your support in that way. If you haven't entered, go ahead and enter into the monthly giveaway. First time here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, and I do makeup videos here on my channel, among other lifestyle and beauty videos. So go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you join the family, and I will see you guys in the next video.